Hello and welcome to the session. This session focuses on learning outcome 4. Understand how organizations can motivate employees in order to improve. How can organizations effectively motivate their employees? This video explores key theories and concepts of motivation in the workplace. Discover how understanding these theories can lead to improved productivity and employee satisfaction. Motivation is the desire to complete a task. It involves doing more than expected. It is the will to work to the best of one's ability. It includes the desire to achieve certain goals. Motivation is being encouraged and wanting to do something. Taylor introduced the scientific management approach. He believed in one best way to complete a job. Management's task was to decide how every task should be completed. Taylor saw money as the sole motivator for workers. His system aimed to maximize efficiency and increase wages. Taylor viewed people as motivated by economic self-interest. Managers could offer incentives or threats. He devised the differential piece rate system. This system offered low payment per unit produced initially. Beyond a threshold, payment became generous but often resented by workers. Elton Mayo introduced the human relations approach. His Hawthorne experiments showed productivity increased with changes. Workers gained satisfaction from freedom and control. Group norms and communication influenced morale. The Hawthorne effect highlighted the impact of managerial interest. Maslow proposed the hierarchy of needs. He believed everyone has the same needs arranged hierarchically. Unsatisfied needs are primary motivations. Once needs are met, their motivating power diminishes. Employees then seek motivation from the next level of needs. Maslow's theory raises several issues. Do all humans have the same set of needs? Are some people motivated by more than money? Can needs ever be fully satisfied? The hierarchy may suggest an endless human desire for achievement. Hertzberg introduced the two-factor theory. It stems from research on job satisfaction and dissatisfaction. Motivators include achievement and recognition. Hygiene factors prevent dissatisfaction but don't cause motivation. Hertzberg emphasized interesting work for job satisfaction. Hertzberg identified motivators and hygiene factors. Motivators include responsibility and personal growth. Hygiene factors involve company policy and salary. Fulfillment of hygiene factors prevents dissatisfaction. Motivators drive employees to excel. McGregor proposed Theory X and Y. Theory X views workers as lazy and needing control. Theory Y sees workers as motivated and seeking responsibility. Management style depends on the leader's view. Theory Y encourages non-financial rewards and empowerment. McClelland identified 3 needs: achievement, power, and affiliation. The importance of each varies among individuals. Understanding these needs helps influence individuals. A person's needs are shaped by culture and experiences. Motivation strategies should consider these needs. Vroom's expectancy theory focuses on personal views. Motivation is influenced by task probability and outcomes. Decisions are made to seek rewards or avoid pain. The goal's impact on the individual is crucial. Motivation depends on belief in task achievement. Motivated workers are more productive. They care about their work quality. Poor motivation leads to stress and absenteeism. Lower staff turnover results from motivation. Motivated staff improve customer interactions and sales. Reward systems are crucial in motivation. Financial rewards are emphasized in some theories. Taylor saw pay as the primary motivator. Maslow viewed pay as meeting lower needs. Hertzberg considered pay a hygiene factor preventing dissatisfaction. Change can be planned or emergent. It varies in magnitude from incremental to transformational. Focus can be strategic or operational. Change occurs at individual, team, or organizational levels. Understanding change types aids in effective management. Different styles exist for managing change. Education and participation are key methods. Intervention and coercion are also used. Theory E focuses on economic value. Theory O emphasizes organizational capability and culture. Strategic change requires context consideration. Time and scope are crucial factors. Preserving current aspects may be necessary. Diverse experiences and opinions influence change. Available resources and readiness are key considerations. Communicating strategy involves communicating change. People like change but want influence over it. Lewin's model outlines unfreeze, change, and refreeze. Kotter's 8-step model guides change management. Effective communication is vital for successful change. Middle managers play a key role in change. They implement plans and make sense of strategy. They adjust and build relevance bridges. Middle managers advise senior management. Their involvement is crucial for successful change. Resistance to change is common in organizations. Kotter and Schlesinger outlined methods to address it. Education and communication are effective strategies. Participation and involvement reduce resistance. Negotiation and support also play important roles. Enterprise Rent-A-Car is a case study in motivation. Their approach emphasizes employee satisfaction. Motivation strategies improve customer service. Employee engagement leads to better performance. This case highlights the importance of motivation in business success. In conclusion, understanding how organizations can motivate employees is essential for improving performance and achieving organizational objectives. Motivation can be enhanced through effective leadership, recognition, rewards, opportunities for development, and a positive working environment. By applying appropriate motivation theories and practices, organizations can increase employee engagement, job satisfaction, and productivity. Understanding employee motivation supports improved performance, commitment, and overall organizational success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.